Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Balance Group More Than Manufacturer. I am Johnny for Balance Group. So exciting to see you all here. Now I'm in Jiangsu Nantong, the location of the Balance Group factory. What are we going to share today? I bring something new for promotions, so don't miss it. In this live studio, I will introduce our best-selling product and what I just mentioned it. The special promotions to you. Okay, we have several different types of the tire changers over there with different assist arms. There are many types of the tires on the market. If you are going to make a suggestions about the tire changers for a business tire service workshop, among them, the tire changers, which one would you like to pick first? Well, for a high volume tire shop, I would like to put G-11 in my shopping list. Modern tires are now becoming extremely hard to fit without assist arm. Let's get closer to the G-11. One of the reasons why the unique trapezoid carbonate and this classic black and red color match, if you put this model in the workshop, it can perfectly merge itself in the composite atmosphere. Besides, with the patented 098L hell arm and integral forming, providing a strong support for tire changing. Next, Klaus and I will take you to experience a charm of the tire changer G11. Hello Klaus! Firstly, let's check the tire reference together. This is a tire with 275/40 range 19 inch. Generally speaking, such kind of tire is a little bit hard to handle. Let's see how G11 provides the solution with the easy operation perfectly. Now, Klaus will help to press the tire. Not like the other ordinary big breaker shovel, which only can be adjusted 2 directions. The big breaker shovel on G11 is adjustable in 4 angles, which makes it able to give the pressure force to the different sides of the tires. Okay, now we've finished the tire pressing, and then we put the tire on the turntable. I must say, the turntable is different from their scale on the turntable. Not all the turntable have scale on it. G11 provides it extendedly. With scale, the operator can place the jabs on the right position quickly. We don't need to waste time moving the jabs backward and forward. Find the correct location. Now, Klaus is showing the operation of demounting the tire. The classic right-held arm with L-shaped device give protection to the cylinder and make the machine more durable, providing the stable force to assist the tire changes easily. The pressing roller assists in preventing the rim scratch. Oh, please check here. You can use the rim protector and the tire pressing tool together. Nowadays, rims have many fancy designs, so the users always wish they have the perfect rim. This design can help the operator to prevent the ring while demounting the tires. I would love to send my tires for fitting by this powerful machine, as I am sure a harmless service is provided. In addition, our power unit is unique and patented. In gear driving rather than the conventional belt driving, make it more effective and powerful. What's more is that the least maintenance is required. It means you don't need to spend a lot of time on after sales. Furthermore, this model has 3-year warranty. Not all the manufacturers, not all the tire changers give 3-year warranty. If you are tired for the after sales maintenance, might we complain, then take it. Okay, let's report on the progress again. After lubricate the tire B, Klaus is mounting the tire. The whole operation is safety and efficient. Thanks Klaus for the fantastic operation. Actually, we have a combination promotion of buying a tire changer G-11 plus the wheel balancer G-55, which we are going to introduce later. If you want to learn more about the promotion program immediately, please talk to my college online. I am Johnny for Balance. Thanks for your special visiting. Please keep following our live studio. More wonderful products are waiting for you.